let's get gardening. What is going on, everybody? Jesse and Raven here. And today we're doing a little bit different kind of a topic here. Not everything works in the garden. Something is going to die, and when it does, it's nice to be able to have backups. Now, if you can start from something from seeds, or you could maybe go to a nursery and purchase something. But as long as you have like something as a backup plan, because sometimes things die. Like in my herb garden over here, in this bed, I've noticed that something has been pulling out a few of my plants. Some of my dill is gone. I have a basil that's gone as well, and lucky me. I actually have a few spare herb plants that are in the greenhouse. And
they're blooming. Look, there's flowers on it.
I know, it's beautiful. You know what that is? That's English thyme. It's an herb for cooking. It's actually really good.
Oh.
But today we're doing dill.
Oh, Dad, I showed that yesterday.
You did show it yesterday, but look how big it is. It's ready to go.
Yeah.
And like I said, we have a couple spots where stuff has been pulled out or died.
Over here.
That's right. So it's good to have some extra plants. So we're going to go around the garden and basically just, fill it in a little bit more. Like I said, some things, are bound to die. It's just, nature of the game. It's nothing to get discouraged. It's just good to have a backup plan. And we definitely have a backup plan. So let's get to it. All right, Raven, you want to help?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to dig a hole. Hold on. I'll have you hold this for me. I'm going to plop that out. Ooh, good root. See them all the way down there? Okay, hold that for me. Yummy. Well, it'll be yummy.
Why is there green in here?
I don't know. It's fine, though. It's fine. So I'm going to dig a little bit of a hole. Ooh, good worms. That dirt looks good.
Yay, worms will make this plant happy.
Yes, it will. All right. Now, can you put that right there? Good job. And let me kind of rearrange a little bit. All right, squat down real quick.
Is this just for this gardening?
You're going to use it here in a minute.
Okay. I can do this.
Oh, you can do that? Okay. Just don't squish the plants. All right, one down. One down. Oh, you can do a little weeding while I'm here. Squat down, baby, so they can see us. All right, so I'm going to get another spot right here. What was that? Let's see, what was that? Oh, that was a small batch of English thyme. Well, it's not English thyme anymore. That was one of the things that we actually purchased from the nursery. It took a long time for my thyme to pop up, but it's popped up now. So if I need to replace more. Ooh, look at those roots. I'm gonna show the camera real quick. See those? I mean, these plants are only a few weeks old. I started them not too terribly long ago, but they're small, but pretty healthy. You gonna pull that one out? Or are you gonna wait for me to? Ooh, hold on. Nope, okay. I thought the English thyme may have survived, but nope, that was a weed. Okay. God, that dirt looks pretty good. I'm happy with that.
Dad.
Huh? That's dill.
More dill?
Yep.
Oh, look, it's his mommy.
It's his mommy. That's right. Okay, so I'm going to give you this one, baby. Okay? And you're going to put it in this hole. There we go. Be gentle. It's okay. Be gentle. Pop it in there.
There's a worm in there.
Good. That's a good thing.
Why is a worm in there?
Oh, like I said, be gentle, baby. Ooh, boy. We got a pile of dirt around it so that they get all comfy. There we go. Okay, and we got one more, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we'll do a little batch right here. It never hurts to have too much dill. We like making pickles, don't we? Yes. Is that a yes, Raven?
Yes.
Okay, cool. You look surprised. He will eat. Okay, get him off the camera. Come on. Here we go.
I just kidding.
Oh, I know. You're a picky eater.
Mommy.
Dad's going to put this one in, okay?
You put it by his mommy.
Here, can you put some of the dirt around it? Give it a blanket. Perfect. Go around it on that side. A little dirt never hurts you.
Yep.
Okay, so that's 3 down. Let's move down into the garden. I have a little bit of okra that needs planted. You want to plant some okra with me? All right. Here we go. Okay. It's still May. Okay, we are in another patch of the garden, and like I said, this one's kind of bare. I think, well, I really didn't have a plan for this one. It's usually better to have a plan when you have a large garden, but sometimes you don't. Yep, that's chamomile, baby. Chamomile, and I don't, oh, burdock. I remember what that is. Ha! It took me a whole video to remember what it is. Well, that's a big old, hey, don't uncover it. Don't uncover it. That's a branch that we use to hold moisture in the ground.
The tree is man.
I know. See what Dad I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna split these up a little bit.
What the heck?
I know, crazy, right? And we're gonna plant a few. I'm gonna lay them out.
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, that's good. That's fine.
What the?
It's fine.
broken.
It's fine. They'll survive. They're hardy little plants. See, I'm splitting them so we can get
They're
them.
fuzzy.
Oh, I see it. That's one of those little weeds. Okay, there we go. We don't eat a lot of okra, so I'm not dedicating a whole lot of garden to it, but it's good to have a variety. Now, let's see, Raven, you gonna help? Oh, I already put a line here. See, I'm gonna deepen it out, and then I want you to.
This next one, the next one. Can I do that one?
The watermelons?
Yeah,
Okay.
I like watermelon.
Yes, we can do that. All right, so let's see here. I'm gonna put this down, and I want you to pile the dirt around it, okay? There we go. Yeah, there we go. You gotta push it down. See what I'm doing? You gotta be very gentle with them because they're okay. There you go. Good job. I'll leave this one right here, and then same thing right here. We're gonna pile it again. Yep. Good job. And we push it down.
I did that too. I patted it down.
Good. See, it's easy to break them apart. You know, they'll look a little weak for a few days, but then the roots will grow, and then they'll get stronger, right? And then they'll get taller again. Okay, ready? Pile them in there.
Okra.
Okra. I don't think I've ever fed you okra. I have a feeling you probably don't like it. Oh no!
You never fed me okra.
Nope. It's fine though. When it gets big and tall, we'll get some okra, and I'll do some gumbo or something, and you'll be able to figure it out. All right. Ooh, that's deep right there. All right, pile the dirt.
This is too much.
It's too much dirt. That's fine. See that?
Daddy,
We're just trying to give them a little bit of space. Yep.
Did you see I put those flags in my fairy garden?
Oh, that's cool.
And I got another one.
Are you happy I cleaned out your fairy garden?
Yes.
It was a mess.
Yeah, the weeds are so mad. They're the devil.
They're the devil. There we go. Now, like I said, it's not a lot of okra. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't touch that. It's not a lot of okra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants. But we don't eat a lot of okra. It's just something nice to have a little variety. I know one of my coworkers. He likes okra, so I might try and get him some. But that's a story for another day. Let's see. Watermelon time. Watermelon time. Okay, so we're here with the watermelons, and a little fortuitous little event. I see a little bit of dill that sprouted up from where it was last year. And you know what? We're going to keep that right there. It's always good to have, extra batches of something, especially something that's actually reseeded itself, because, year after year, these seeds will get acclimatized to where I live and do a little bit better for me. So, Raven, are you getting your hole dug?
Not yet.
Not yet? All right, I'm going to dig one too. I'll dig it around here, a little bit away from that dill, because I want to make sure that grows real strong. Daddy likes dill. It's a good herb.
You never fed me dill.
Yes, I have, in pickles. We do dill pickles, baby. You like pickles.
When I was a little baby.
You still like them. You're still a little baby. You big old diaper. You big old diaper baby.
I'm gonna show the crowd that I'm not a big old diaper baby.
It's fine. I'm just making fun of you. It's all right. Here we go. All right. You want me to dig it? I'll help dig. Hold on. We got to get it a little deeper so we can make sure the plants do well, right?
Oh, there's a weed.
Yeah, there is a weed in there. Oh, well.
It was growing up.
Yeah, it's gone now.
Yep, it's gone.
There we
Bye-bye, weed.
Okay, I will take it out of its
cup.
cup.
Look at the worm.
Good. That is a good sign. All right, I'm going to pop it down and you bury it with some dirt, okay?
Okay.
Now, we're over by the our cucumber trellis. I'm actually going to use it for both cucumbers, bottle gourds, and I'm going to try and attempt to get these watermelons trained up the trellis as well. So hopefully it does well. If not, we'll figure something else out. But like I said, we had a space, and it's just good to have extra plants, especially when you have a big garden. Sometimes things go wrong. And you just have to. That's fine. Pile it in. Push it down.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Get a little bit of that dirt. But especially when you have a big garden, it's just sometimes things can happen, and the larger something is, the more chances you have of something going wrong. So, like I said, backups, backups, backups. And that is a cucumber. And speaking of cucumbers, that's what we're going to be doing next. Okay, speaking of cucumbers, like Raven was saying, we've got extra cucumbers, and guessed it, more cucumbers. So we have this portion of the trellis that we haven't actually planted yet, and I was kind of waiting for it to be a little bit warmer. So this isn't something where I was just like, oh God, don't plant anything there. I was just being strategic about it. So without any further ado, ooh, I don't want to kneel there. That hurts. Let's get some of the cucumbers going. Okay, pull it out. And then we'll get some of the cucumbers going, right? Let's see here. I'll get you one. And you just plop it in the hole. Right there.
Why does it feel like spiky?
Why does it feel spiky? Well, because that's a natural defense for the plant. So,
cucumbers are cousins to cucumbers.
Well,
like
yeah.
Cucumbers are cousins to zucchini.
I actually don't know if that's true or not. Daddy, you'll have to Google that up. I don't want to lie to you.
That's true.
Daddy's gonna plant this one. Let me get in there.
Daddy, that's true.
Okay, that works.
Because they're both green.
Well, if that's the case, then all plants are cousins to all plants. Did I just blow your head up?
No.
There we go.
I bound my head up.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a baby worm. It's a red worm. I love red worms.
Okay. Well, it's good to have worms, isn't it?
I really love red worms, Dad.
Okay. I'm gonna dig a hole and you're gonna plop these ones in for me?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right, let's see here.
What is this guy?
These are more cucumbers. Oh, that is a tomato that your sister planted. She just wanted it wherever. It's fine.
She put it right just here.
Raven, hop this one in there for me.
Okay.
Ready? There we go. And we cover it with the dirt. Awesome. All right, we get another one going.
Yes.
And look, you know what I just noticed, baby? We got all this space in this garden box. So Dad's going to have to figure something else out for planting, aren't we? Flower. Oh, that's a good idea. We have lots of flowers that we started.
Another Chinese forget-me-nots.
I have a few more of the forget-me-nots. We can do those.
Or morning glories.
Or more. We do have morning glories. That's fine too.
Where did you put the morning glories?
They are in the greenhouse. Blew up your head. That's fine. Okay, so I'm going to dig a couple holes. See, I got 4 plants here, and we'll do them right next to each other.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
2 plus 2 equals 4. You math whiz, you.
10 plus 10 equals 20.
Mm-hmm. Do you like going out and gardening?
Yes. 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30.
It does.
20 plus 20 equals 40.
You want to help?
Yes.
Got to cover them with dirt.
Okay.
All right. Scoot down. Squat down. There
Good
you go.
sign. Tiny worm.
Tiny worm. It's a good sign. You sound like Dad. There we go. Look at those. Ooh, I got to get one more hole.
Where's your rock? I'm going to put this in my fairy garden.
You can put that in your fairy garden. That's fine.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Okay. That's really not your fairy garden. That's Daddy's garden. All right, hop over here for me. All right, squat down.
Squat.
Okay, so we got another row of these plants done, right? We got what
I just pigged it.
What plants were these?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers, and we planted what over there? Watermelon, and then we planted okra, and then we planted the dill all the way far back over there.
I was going to say dill.
Okay, we have one more plant to do, and it's like I said, one of those spots where something died, so it's good to replace it, which is exactly what we're going to do. Let's get over there. Okay, so like I said, we had a few things that decided to die on us, or they got pulled up by a raccoon or a squirrel or something. It happens, but it's good to have backups, and backups we have. And these ones, what?
Look.
Yeah, it got eaten a little bit, but that one's still alive, so we're going to leave that one alone. But we have a couple spots over here that don't have plants. Look right here.
Heck? Why is this in my pocket?
Well, I don't know, but you see right here, Raven?
Yes.
It used to have a plant, and now it doesn't. So that's where this is going to go.
I wonder.
And let me get the hole bigger, okay? Oh, Dad didn't make the hole in the fabric big enough for this one. Ooh.
Good sign?
Yeah, I mean, that dirt is nice and black. I don't see no worms yet, but that's okay. Okay, so we're going to plop that in.
Oh, worm.
Okay, plop it in. Just like that.
What is this?
This is Swiss chard.
We have Swiss chard already.
We have lots of. Oh, watch out! You're almost on the plants.
Oh, sorry, Frankie plant.
That's fine. But oh, look, worm, a little wormy.
Oh, can I pet you?
Only my daughter would like to pet a worm.
Look, they're so cute.
Oh, that one's still alive. I didn't notice that one, but we do have a hole right here, so we'll swap that one around. You wanna hand me my knife right there, please?
I won't get myself cut because look, the worm is going in. It's helping the plant.
That's a good sign. Daddy really likes it when I see stuff like that in the garden. And this dirt looks nice. Look at that, baby.
Going in.
I know. You don't care about my dirt. Okay, so we got this next little spot. Another Swiss chard. And we're going to...
I see your scar.
Well, it's not a scar. Daddy hurt himself with a piece of wood, but it's all right. I'll be all right. I'm strong. Ooh, nice little breeze we got there.
Bye-bye, worm.
Okay, so that's 2 down. Did we have another one?
I thought that weed was a squirrel.
Oh, well, it's not. There we go. Let me prop this little guy up a little bit. There we go. All right, I like that. So let's see here. I had one more hole right here. No, that one still got one. But we got one right here, see?
Yeah, we have a little pumpkin.
Yes, we do. And we gotta plant the pumpkins out, I think maybe tomorrow. Maybe Grammy, when she gets here, she can help us out. That sound like a plan?
I'm having my field trip tomorrow.
Oh boy. Well, I know what she wants.
Field trip.
Field trip. Plants can wait. Field trip now. You weren't supposed to say it. I'm just kidding, baby. All right. So there's 3 down. Let's go find a spot to sit. Okay.
Pumpkins can grow this big.
Pumpkins can grow big. Yep, that's right. We are actually sitting in the smaller of our 2 pumpkin patches, and we're using pumpkin patch as a loose term. It's actually like butternut squashes, winter squashes in general. We've got spaghetti squash, winter squash, fairy tale pumpkins, just a bunch of different ones.
Fairy tale pumpkins are so pretty.
They are pretty, and they should look really good when this thing gets going. I mean, they're not big yet, but they're going to be. They're going to be.
Caterpillar ate some.
That's fine. It's okay.
I like caterpillars.
And remember, if a caterpillar comes in and pulls that plant out or eats it all, we got extras, because that's what this video is all about, isn't it? Backups. It's good to make sure that we have extra plants to be able to use in case we have a hole.
If your extra plants die, you will get more from the store.
Yeah.
Large.
Well, we still have lots of plants in the greenhouse, so we don't even need to buy them right now. I mean, we have, I don't know.
Plants.
Free plants?
3.
3? Oh, we have dozens of the pumpkins in the greenhouse.
That means get plants for yourself.
Oh, yeah. Okay. But like we were saying, if something dies, it's not that big of a problem. Don't tear your hair out over it. Just think of it as an option or a possibility to get something different. Or if you want the same thing in there, go for it. But just make sure that you're able to go in and get something different. Don't just give up.
This.
What?
Let's do a gardening video about putting strawberries in a place in your garden.
That's a perfect idea. And we have strawberry plants in the greenhouse, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. High five. Yeah. Okay. So, what did we learn today?
We learned to replant.
Yeah, to replant and make sure that if something happens, it's okay, and that we can always just try something different. Right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Sounds like a plan. Now, if you guys have any problems like that, just remember, it's not that big a deal. Just go out and get another plant and reseed, retry, never give up. That's good? All right. This is Jesse and Raven. Happy gardening.